Hello everyone, today I'm going to take you through an incredible journey of a company that went from struggling to survive to becoming a leader in the industry. This story is about Blinkit, a company that promises to deliver groceries and daily essentials to your doorstep in just 10 minutes. But Blinkit was not that successful. Just a few years ago, it was named as Grofers and was facing tough times. Then how Blinkit turned things around? Let us see into the detailed business model of Blinkit and discover the strategies they used for that remarkable success. In 2013, Saurabh Kumar and Albinder Dinsa founded Grofers with a straightforward idea to deliver groceries at people's homes. At that time, online shopping was gaining popularity in India and Blinkit found its footing. By 2015, the company was operating in 25 cities, delivering thousands of orders every day. However, the online grocery market was highly competitive. Big Basket, a major player in the industry, had wider range of products and had stronger market penetration. By 2021, Big Basket was generating 3 times more the revenue of Grofers. The growth of competitors like Amazon and Flipkart in the grocery market made things even tougher. Grofers was struggling to keep up and realized that it needs a drastic change in its business strategy to survive in the market. In 2021, a new trend called quick commerce entered into the online grocery market. This concept was introduced by Zepto, a startup founded by two 19-year entrepreneurs. Zepto's big idea was to deliver groceries within 10 minutes. This concept resonated with urban consumers who valued speed and convenience. Albinder Dinsa, the co-founder of Grofers, saw the potential in quick commerce and decided to pivot the company in that direction. In 2021, Grofers rebranded itself as Blinkit, symbolizing the company's focus on delivering groceries within a blink of an eye. This was just more than a name change. It marked a complete transformation of company's business model with an emphasis on speed, efficiency, and also the customer satisfaction. Now comes the main question, the most important part. What did Blinkit change? What was its business model? How did it transform a failure to a successful story? Now let's see the actual business model of Blinkit in detail. Now, the corner source of Blinkit's success in quick commerce was dark store. But what is a dark store? A dark store is essentially a small warehouse that is located in densely populated urban areas. These stores are not open for public but are designed to complete the online delivery packaging. But how does this model work? Now the first is the strategic placement. What Blinkit does is it places its dark stores in the key location within the cities, ensuring that each store can cover customers within the radius of 2 to 3 kilometers. Now this strategic position allows Blinkit to fulfill orders within 10 minutes. The second is the efficient operation. So when a customer places an order, it is routed to a nearest dark store. Then the staff of that dark store picks and packs the items within 2 minutes and the delivery person is dispatched within 3 minutes. Now since the store is close to the customer, the item or the order reaches its destination within a flash. Now the third is cost management. By choosing location with lower rent such as the side street areas or basements, the dark stores also stock a carefully curated selection of high demand items to maximize their space efficiency. Now comes the main puzzle, the profit puzzle. How does Blinkit survive? How does Blinkit make profit and cut at cost? Now let's solve the profit puzzle. Quick commerce is a challenging business model, especially when it comes to profitability. The cost associated with rapid delivery, such as salaries, rent, and logistics, can eat into profit margin. So, how does Blinkit makes its model sustainable to survive in the industry? Now, one key strategy to do this is to increasing the average order value. Let me explain you with an example. Now, if a customer orders 500 rupees of groceries, we could assume Blinkit's profit margin to be 20% or rupees 100. But now there would be fixed costs. For example, there would be rent, logistics, and maybe the delivery of rupees 50 to 70. Now, from 100, 50 to 70 rupees is driving to delivery, and almost 30 to 40 rupees we could assume as fixed cost. Now, for this, the Blinkit is in loss of rupees 10 to 15 per order, right? Now, but if a customer orders 1000 rupees worth of groceries, Blinkit's profit doubles while the delivery cost and the fixed cost remains the same. Now this way Blinkit can achieve better profitability on large orders. And now to encourage high spending, Blinkit offers various incentives like discount on bulk products and free delivery for large orders, etc. Now, Blinkit has also expanded its product range beyond groceries to include items like home appliances, beauty products, toys, and even electronics. Now, this not only increases Blinkit's average order value but also helps it attract larger consumer base. Now comes the centralization. To manage the wide range of products, Blinkit employs a centralization strategy. What they do is they had specialized dark stores. For example, a particular dark store specializes in a particular product or a specific product. For example, one dark store might focus on electronics, other might focus on beauty products, etc. And secondly, it has multiple deliveries. For example, if a customer orders different products from different dark stores, despite this, Blinkit ensures that all items are delivered quickly within the span of 10 minutes. Blinkit uses data analytics extensively to optimize its operation. By analyzing customer buying patterns, Blinkit can predict demand for specific products and ensure that dark stores are always well stocked with high demand items. This minimizes out of stock situations and also improve customer satisfaction. Now we come to the revenue streams of Blinkit apart from selling groceries or other products. Apart from selling products, Blinkit generates revenue from advertising. When you open the Blinkit app, you might see the banners and promoted products. Just like grocery stores charge brands for their prime shelf space, Blinkit charges company to feature their product prominently on the app. Now, this advertising revenue has been a significant part of Blinkit's business model, contributing to its financial growth. Now, other could also be subscription services. Blinkit also offers subscription services where customers pay a monthly fee for benefits like early delivery, easy access to sale, exclusive discount vouchers. This not only provides a steady revenue, but also it improves or builds customer loyalty. In fact, Blinkit's advertising revenue grew by 220% in just one quarter in 2023. Brands find it easy to advertise on Blinkit because its app is categorized into various sections, making it easier for them to target the right audience. How Blinkit has made itself a strong brand. Now, first is the customer-centric approach. Blinkit's marketing strategy is focused on customers' needs. The company regularly engages with its customers through social media, collects feedback, and tailors its offering accordingly. This customer-centric approach has helped Blinkit to build a loyal customer base. The second is discounts and promotions. Blinkit frequently offers discounts and vouchers to its customer base. These promotions are often time-bound, like festive seasons or weekends, and where people are likely to store. The third is brand partnership. Now, Blinkit has partnered with several well-known brands to offer exclusive products on its platform. This approach helped them to reach new customer segments and also increase its growth. Thank you for joining me to the end. I hope you find it insightful. If you have any other query regarding Blinkit, or if you have any other brand that you need me to discuss it as a case study, do comment in the comment section. And if you have any other information about the Blinkit case study or business model, also do comment in the comment section for other viewers to have more content. Thank you.